Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue working on this project, and in this video we'll create why choose us section and also we create reviews. Okay, let's get started. Open our code and first create new section. We can name this section choose us. Add class, choose us, and also add container. Okay, and now we need to create title. We can using h2 tag, and let's change this class and copy this text. Okay, and create subtitle or description. Add also class. And now we need to create these three cards. First create list tag and add class cards. And next we create first card using a lead tag and add class. We can name choose card. Okay, and let's create our card. Create span for our number and also create title. We'll be using h5. And create description. Okay, and let's create class for our elements. We can name none. We can name title, and also we can name text. Okay, here is our new section, and now we can start add new styles for our section. Copy our main class element and add margin top and bottom. Create margin. Okay, and now let's stylish our title. Turn on our text. Okay, and copy these styles using this class and add our title styles and also create margin bottom. Okay, I think we can create a common class for all our title. Let's create title and put these styles, add here and also delete here. Open our page. Like you see now we need to add this class for our title. Okay, now it works, and we need to create we need to add styles for our description. Copy these styles. And also add space between our title and description. Okay, and we need to change position our title. We can using text alien left. Okay, and next we need to add space between cards and our description. Create margin bottom and add size our space Okay, and now we can start create styles for our cards. Copy our card class and let's add shadow, border and background. Okay, and let's create max width and add width full. Okay, and now we need to create padding inside our card. Okay, and first let's create styles for this num using our num class. And okay, let's create our styles, copy color and font family, and also we need to add border 1 pixel solid. Okay, and change size, we need width 24 and height 24, and let's create display flags, justified center and align item center. Okay, let's look. Everything works, but we also need to create margin bottom and create border radius. We'll be using 50%. Okay, and now we can add styles for our card title using our class, and also create styles for our text. Okay, our card is ready, and also we need to change. Okay, first let's create these two cards and copy this text. Okay, and copy last card data. Okay, here's our card, and now we need to create, now we need to add property display flags and space between. Create new class, inner, and using this class here. And now let's add display flags and justify content and value space between. Okay, I confused. We need to add these properties for cards. Okay, now everything looks like here, and next we need to create our reviews. Okay, let's start work on our reviews. I think we can create a new section, but it doesn't necessarily. We can using again alt tag and create list. I think it will be more attractive approach. Create new div and add class container, and let's create our cards. Okay, create review card. And first we need to add a top our card. Create new div. And we need image. Also add alt. we can copy this class and change some letter. Okay, and next we need to use an src and import our image. Okay, and we also need profile data, create new div and add class. Okay, add class profile. Okay, and next let's create profile name and date. How many time ago was add these reviews. Okay, using h6 tag and copy this text and copy date. We can use in paragraph tag. Okay, we also can create a class, but I think will be more easily if we add stars using these tags. Okay, and next we need to create stars. We can connect some liberty using jQuery, but I think it doesn't necessarily. We can copy this SVG icon, and if it will be need, we'll connect liberty in future. Create new div and add our stars. We can delete this text and add class reviews card stars. Okay, let's try again. Our star inst doesn't work. Okay, now everything works and we need 5 stars. Copy this icon. Okay, here's our stars, and let's close this tag because it's too long. Okay, and next we need to create text, our reviews card, create new class and copy this text. Okay, and next let's create these like and unlike. Create new div and first create like. Okay, copy our SVG icon and put here. Okay, here's our icon and let's add number. Okay, and next we need to copy this icon. Okay, and create new div element and put our icon and add number. Okay, but we also need to change class. Create new class on like. Okay, and let's add stars for our review cards. First we need to add class for our top card. Create new class and we can name this class review card top, and let's using this class and display flags, and also we need to add column gap. Okay, and next let's add stuff for our profile. Copy this class and using our tag. First we'll be using h6 and copy these styles. Okay, and next we need copy these styles. Paste these styles here and let's copy it, change our tag and cut these styles and paste here. Okay, let's look. Now everything looks okay, and also we need to add margin. Create a margin bottom. Okay, and next let's create stars for our stars. Copy this class and using display flags and column gap 80 pixels. Okay, and also add margin bottom. Okay, and create stars for our text. Copy this class and add these stars. Okay, and in the end we need to add margin bottom and stars for our like and unlike for our counters. Create margin bottom and add stars for our counters. Create new class, review card, count, display flags and column gap. Okay, and I think we can delete this class. We can using h6 or paragraph, it doesn't matter, I think. Okay, and let's create stars for our tag. Copy this class and using our paragraph tag. Okay, and let's copy these stars. Okay, and add display flags, align items, center. Okay, and let's correct our column gap. Now everything goes okay, looks okay, and let's add space. Also add column gap 10 pixels. Okay, and now we need to add padding. Copy our main tag, and I think we can add container here and delete this element. Let's look at the window, nothing changed, and let's create, let's use this tag and put here and add margin bottom, because we have space between our footer and our review section. Okay, we almost finished our project. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.